2022 Ferrari SF90 Assetto Fiorano. It's a Spider. The color is Nero Daytona. Car came in with my client bought it used, and the car came in with existing front PPF, which the client was not too happy with, even though it wasn't all that bad. I gotta admit, usually dealer work is extremely horrendous. But this wasn't super bad compared to what I've seen in the past. But he knew from having me do work for him in the past and watching my work online, he knew that there was a huge potential for very improper paint underneath the PPF, and he was right. So he has to remove it. We did, and it was just a tremendous amount of buffer trails, swirl marks, sanding marks underneath the PPF and on the rest of the paint. So we did a much needed paint correction, and then installed full body XPEL PPF, and then ceramic coated over all of that. It's just too bad it's been a cloudy few days, and today's no different. The sun does all of a sudden come out, so maybe in the middle of this video it'll finally just all of a sudden pop up or pop out. But yeah, I mean, we I always, anybody who watches my videos regularly knows that I always try to show the quality of our PPF work. It's a lot of times cars come in here with PPF and there's exposed edges everywhere. We try to wrap everything around. Of course, not every corner or every edge is possible, but wherever possible, everything gets wrapped around, because cars will come in here with film, like this far from the edge. So that's not how we do it here, and that's the reason why people usually tell their friends, business partners or what have you, about us when the question comes up about where they get their cars done, or if they heard about a shop that does quality work. And I'm always grateful for that. People just spreading the word to others to come to us. It's a beautiful interior with the yellow stitching. Goes very well with the outside with the yellow calipers. And of course the yellow badge as well, so it matches all proper ceramic coating inside the door jambs as well. As usual, on this one also, I had to do a paint correction even inside the door jambs, because even this area was all messed up with buffer trails and other issues. But this is now all done. Now we can comfortably drive it around and knows that the car looks amazing. The PPF work is about as flawless as we could get it. No imperfections that I could find anywhere. And that's why we take our time here. We work on 2 cars at a time only. We're a 2-man shop, 1 person on each car. That's no high production. There's the sun. And so we really take our time to work on each project and give each car our full attention. You're not taking it to a shop where there's 10 cars at the same time and they're getting knocked out as quickly as possible. That's not the way we operate here.